Okay, I'm going to talk you through your scale drawings, handing in homework, your review homework. And the first thing, I'm going to put it into easier to understand language, I hope. It says 1 to 50,000. Well, I find that really hard to understand. What that means is 1 centimetre goes to 50,000 centimetres. I still find that far too complicated. So I'm going to write that as 1 centimetre goes to 500 metres. That's a bit better now. I can work with that. And let me look at the question. 1a. Copy and complete this sentence. 1 to 50,000 on a map means 1 centimetre in the map represents a length of 50,000 centimetres on the ground. Part B. Write this as 1 centimetre to kilometres. So see the way up here I've got 1 centimetre to 500 metres. So your wee box, 1 centimetre would be half a kilometre. Because there's 1,000 metres in a kilometre. So it's 0.5 kilometres. Part C. A distance is measured as 2.5 on the map. How long is that normally? So 2.5 on the map, 2.5 centimetres will go to, 1 centimetre goes to 500, so 2.5, if you times that up, will go to 1250 metres. You can put that into kilometres if you want. They haven't specified, so the choice is yours there. And part D, 10 kilometres. So what I'm going to do here, see the way I've got 500 metres. So half a kilometre goes to 1 centimetre. So if I times that by 10, I would get 5 kilometres. So I've got to times this by 10 just to keep everything right. I want 10 kilometres. If I double that, I get my answer of 20 centimetres. So sometimes you can do this just by sort of logically thinking through it. And that's probably the way I would do it. Question 2. Got to make a scale drawing of this. Okay, so we've got 1.5 along the bottom. So if you just take your ruler and measure 1.5, which is 3 wee squares. Now imagine this is the wall. And you want this to be 5 centimetres. So if you look, I'm putting my ruler up there. I'm going to swing it round till I get 5. Oops, slid down there. Oh goodness, I'd be way up here. I think I might do that again. We'll go down here this time. See, I've got a bit more room. And I want 1.5. So here is my wall. So I'm putting my point here, and putting the 0 there, and swinging it round until I get 5 on the wall. Just make sure everything there is hunky-dory. That looks quite good. So that's 5, and that is 1.5. And the question wants, how far up the wall do you reach? So if you just measure this line, mine looks about 4.8. So part A is 4.8 and it's metres. Part B, if you have a protractor, you can do this. If you don't have a protractor, don't worry about it. Put it on there. And it's looking like 75 degrees. But that's only if you have a protractor. You can do that. And question 3, I'm not going to finish it for you. I'm just going to get you started. 1 centimetre goes to 25 centimetres. So in part A, they want 12 centimetres. So you'll times that. And in part B, you have got 75 centimetres. So you're going back to the scale. So you divide by 25.